Your body is constantly sending you signals. Low energy, frequent cravings, feeling tired after meals, unexplained weight gain, or difficulty concentrating may all be signs that your eating habits need attention. But when people hear the words healthy eating, many immediately think about strict diets, expensive foods, or giving up everything they enjoy. The truth is, healthy eating is not about eating perfectly. It is about learning how to give your body the right fuel consistently. As a doctor, one of the most common questions I hear is, what should I actually eat if I want to become healthier? So in this video, I'll break down the basics of healthy eating for beginners and show you simple choices you can start making today. Step 1. Start with whole, natural foods. The foundation of a healthy diet is simple. Eat more foods that come from nature and fewer highly processed foods. Think about foods that your grandparents would recognize: vegetables, fruits, beans, eggs, fish, lean meats, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods provide your body with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy proteins. For example, instead of starting your morning with a sugary breakfast cereal, you could choose eggs with vegetables, oatmeal with fruits and nuts, or plain yogurt with berries. Small changes like these can make a big difference over time. Step 2. Build a balanced plate. A healthy meal does not need to be complicated. A simple rule I recommend is the balanced plate method. Try to fill half of your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with protein, and 1/4 with healthy carbohydrates. Vegetables provide fiber and important nutrients that support your immune system and digestion. Protein helps build and repair your muscles and keeps you feeling full for longer. Healthy carbohydrates provide energy for your brain and body. Examples of healthy proteins include fish, chicken, eggs, beans, lentils, and tofu. Healthy carbohydrates include brown rice, sweet potatoes, oats, whole grain bread, and other high-fiber options. Remember, carbohydrates are not the enemy. The quality and quantity matter. Step 3. Add more fiber to your diet. One of the biggest mistakes many beginners make is not eating enough fiber. Fiber is important because it supports digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can help you feel satisfied after meals. Foods rich in fiber include vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. For example, instead of drinking fruit juice, eating a whole apple gives you fiber that helps slow down sugar absorption. Your body responds differently to natural whole foods compared to processed foods. Step 4. Choose better drinks. Many people focus on food but forget about what they drink. Sugary drinks like soda, sweetened juices, and energy drinks can add a large amount of extra sugar without making you feel full. Water should be your main drink. If you find plain water boring, you can add lemon, cucumber, or fresh fruit for flavor. Also remember that excessive alcohol consumption can negatively affect your weight, liver health, sleep, and overall well-being. Step 5. Don't try to change everything overnight. One of the biggest reasons people fail with healthy eating is because they try to completely transform their diet in one day. They remove every food they enjoy, follow an extremely strict plan, and eventually feel frustrated. Healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a punishment. Start with small improvements. Maybe add an extra serving of vegetables to your meals. Replace sugary snacks with nuts or fruits. Cook more meals at home. Reduce processed foods gradually. These small habits become powerful when they are repeated consistently. Step 6. Listen to your body. Healthy eating is not just about what you eat. It is also about understanding your body. Eat when you are hungry, but learn to recognize true hunger versus emotional eating. Slow down while eating. Give your brain time to recognize when you are full. Many people eat quickly and continue eating because their body has not had enough time to send the signal that they are satisfied. So what should beginners eat? Start with simple, real foods. Eat more vegetables, fruits, quality proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Drink more water, limit highly processed foods, and focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, you do not need a perfect diet to become healthier. You need consistent habits that support your body every day. Your health is built one meal at a time. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-based health tips. And remember, taking care of your body today is an investment in the healthier future you deserve.